An ideal pet door means freedom both for you and your pets. And they're so easy to install. With a little guidance, your pet soon will be able to come and go whenever you want them to in just a matter of minutes. To begin, you'll need to have the following tools. As with any home improvement project, if you do not have the tools or the skills to properly install your pet door, we suggest using a professional handyperson or licensed contractor. First, measure your pet's shoulder height using a tape measure. The top of the pet door should be set no lower than this measurement. In fact, we recommend adding 2 inches to this measurement as the correct height for the top of the pet door template. Transfer this measurement plus the 2 inches to the screen guard and mark using a felt-tipped marker. In this video, we'll be showing installation in an aluminum patio sliding screen door. However, our screen guard pet door is designed for any type of aluminum screen door that has a screen guard. Place level on the height mark and center the bubble. Next, with the felt-tipped marker, make a line along the top of the level onto the screen guard. Now measure 2 inches from the side edge of the screen guard and make a mark a little lower than the top line. Take the paper template and align it to the horizontal level line, but make sure to allow at least 2 inches from the very bottom of the screen guard. Raise the height of the template if necessary to allow for this clearance. Align the side of the template to the 2-inch side mark. We don't recommend placing the template any closer to the edge than this distance. Tape the template securely in place, making sure it is level. Tape around the entire outer edge of the template. Now remove the screen door from the track and place it on a clean concrete surface, either in a garage or on an outside concrete slab. Using side-cut pliers or tin snips, carefully cut the screen guard following the inside edge of the paper template. When finished, remove the template and cut out section and discard. Next, turn the entire screen door over so screen guard is now facing downward. With a sharp utility knife, carefully cut the fly screen material, following the cutout of the screen guard as a guide. Remove the cutaway material and discard. Take the plastic outside frame as shown and place it underneath the screen with the screw holes facing up. Line up the frame opening with the cutout as shown. Clear the opening of any material that might still interfere with the fit of the pet door frames. Then place the inside frame onto the outside frame to check the fit. Remove the frame and peel off the tape on the underside edge of the frame. Once all of the tape has been removed, place the frame, tape side down, into the cutout and line up with the other frame. Now place all 8 of the screws supplied into the pre-drilled holes in the aluminum frame and attach securely using a Phillips screwdriver or electric screwdriver with Phillips bit. Do not over-tighten. Now place the plastic lockout slide into the pet door after all the screws have been completed. Lift the entire screen door off the floor and return to place back into the screen door track. Finally, remove the lockout slide and the screen guard pet door is ready to use. Use the lockout slide whenever you want to restrict your pet's access in or out. It is your responsibility to make sure your pet door is not used in any unauthorized way.